Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Bubble Letter Stencils is probably one of the most versatile and fun crafting tools you can add to your arsenal, allowing you to create eye-catching designs for everything from personalized gifts and party decorations to unique art projects and custom apparel. Whether you're a seasoned crafter looking to add a playful touch to your creations or a beginner eager to explore new artistic avenues, these stencils offer a simple yet impactful way to elevate your DIY game and bring your creative visions to life with effortless style and charm. Number 5. Mr. Pen Letter Stencils, 12-pack. Discover the versatility of our alphabet, number, and symbol stencils. This comprehensive set is designed to bring your creative projects to life with ease and precision. You'll receive 12 essential templates in each pack. They are perfectly sized at 4 by 7 inches, making them convenient for a wide range of applications. These stencils work beautifully with almost any medium you can think of. From pens and sprays to paints and pastes, they are your go-to tool for adding custom lettering. The uppercase letters range from 0.37 to 0.63 inches, while the lowercase letters are between 0.25 and 0.53 inches. You'll achieve clear and consistent results every time. In addition to letters, you get numbers and various other symbols. Their sizes range from 0.25 to 0.65 inches, offering a complete solution for all your lettering needs. What we like? This set offers a generous 12 pieces, perfect for any project. The 4 by 7 inch size is versatile for various applications. If you need a wide range of letters and numbers for detailed work, this is a great choice. What people say. Sturdy products. Size just what I needed for my project. The set has everything that I needed it for, which is Bible journaling and scrapbooking. For me that worked. Just keep in mind what you are buying as far as size is concerned. The decals are pretty, and the letters are a nice size. There are plenty of each letter, so I only had to purchase one package to complete all 8 names I wanted, and I still have several sheets I didn't even have to cut into. Number 4. 36 PCS Large Alphabet and Number Stencils, 4 inches. This set includes 26 capital letters and 10 numbers, giving you 36 pieces in total. You can combine them in countless ways to bring your ideas to life. Crafted from sturdy PET plastic, these stencils are built to last. They are laser cut with smooth edges, making them safe for children to use. Simply clean with soap and water for repeated use. Position the stencil, secure it lightly with tape, and then paint using your preferred method. Whether it's brushes, sprays, or markers, creating your designs is straightforward. Decorate wood, paper, glass, fabric, rocks, and more with these smooth surface stencils. They are perfect for various artistic creations and make a thoughtful gift. Using these stencils can help improve hands-on ability and spark imagination. They are a great tool for both learning and artistic expression. Each stencil measures 4 by 4 inches, making them ideal for everyday projects. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. What we like? Get a complete set of 36 large stencils for all your creative needs. They are made from durable, reusable plastic and are safe for kids. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option for frequent use on various surfaces like wood or fabric, this set is ideal. What people say. The stencils aren't so flimsy they move the whole time you use them. Worked well for my bulletin board. Easy to use, great size. These are sturdy. Number 3. 5-inch Letter Stencils Kit. Discover a versatile set of stencils designed for all your creative projects. Perfect for adding a personal touch to various surfaces. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly material, these stencils are built to last. They are washable, flexible, and safe for repeated use. Incredibly light and easy to handle, just like paper but much stronger. The convenient hanging hole and binder ring make storage a breeze. Simply choose your colors, position the stencil, and create. Achieve perfect results on your craft projects every time, no special skills needed. From wood and walls to fabric and rocks, these stencils work on virtually any surface. Ideal for signs, DIY art, and personalized gifts. This comprehensive kit includes 26 alphabet letters and 10 numbers, along with a binder ring for easy organization. Each letter stands 5 inches tall. What we like? These 5-inch stencils are perfect for making a statement with larger lettering. They are made from eco-friendly, durable material and come with a convenient hanging hole design. If you want to create bold signs, personalized gifts, or eye-catching home decor, these are the ones to pick. What people say. The sturdy material ensures crisp, clean lines every time, whether you're using paint, markers, or even glitter. Plus, they're reusable, so you can create masterpiece after masterpiece without skipping a beat. At 3 inches, they're just right for showcasing your kiddos' handprints in all their adorable glory. It's like capturing a moment in time and turning it into a cherished keepsake for the special moms in your life. Nice thick plastic stencils with ring. Number 2. Large letter stencils for painting. Introducing our large letter stencils, perfect for adding a personal touch to any project. With over 284 designs and multiple sizes, you can create anything you imagine. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly mylar, these stencils are designed for repeated use. They are laser cut with smooth edges, ensuring safety for all ages. Customizing your words and numbers is a breeze. Whether you prefer painting, chalking, or spraying, these thin yet sturdy templates provide a perfect fit for smooth application. From wood signs and t-shirts to home decor and wall art, these versatile stencils work on virtually any flat surface. They are ideal for a wide range of creative endeavors. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This reusable stencil set is perfect for friends and family who love to craft and decorate. Give the gift of endless creative possibilities. After you're done creating, simply clean them with soap and water. These stencils are designed for easy maintenance, so you can use them again and again. What we like? This massive 44-pack offers incredible variety with 3 different fonts and over 284 designs. It's perfect for anyone who loves to customize and needs options for different projects. If you're a serious crafter or DIY enthusiast who wants maximum creative freedom, this set is unbeatable. What people say. The stencils are made of durable plastic that can be reused multiple times. The letters are clear and well-defined, making it easy to trace them onto various surfaces. The set includes a wide variety of letters and numbers, offering great versatility for different projects. Number 1. BAMIDELE 2-inch letter stencils and numbers kit. Discover endless possibilities with our 66-piece interlocking stencil kit. Create custom words and numbers for any DIY art project you can imagine. Our unique interlocking design makes alignment a breeze. Simply place, paint, and create exquisite, meaningful texts with ease. Crafted from eco-friendly PET material, these stencils are laser cut for durability and safety. They are washable, reusable, and easy to clean. Perfect for a wide range of projects, from home decor and signage to party crafts and personalized gifts. Let your imagination guide you. Surprise your loved ones with a thoughtful gift. These flexible, smooth-edged stencils are ideal for creating beautiful, personalized art crafts. What we like? This set includes 66 pieces with an innovative interlocking design for easy alignment. The 2-inch height is great for detailed work and smaller projects. If you're looking for precision and ease of use for crafts like journaling, signage, or personalized gifts, this interlocking set will make your life much easier. What people say. You can paint the letters on your shoes and it stays. Quality is amazing, easy to use. I like that they're reusable and wash paint off easily. They aren't connected, which gives more freedom when placing the letters and numbers for custom designs. The size of the letters was just right, and the results came out crisp and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.